Welcome back. South Goa Progressive Truck Owners Association have threatened to boycott Loksabha polls if government fails to solve their loan issue. They have demanded that the government should either take over the liability or waive it off. They claim that some of the truck owners are yet to receive package from the government. The truck owners have demanded that all mining dependents should get the package at least by Christmas.
त्या लोना खातीर लोक सगळे आमचे ट्रक मालक कंप्लीट काबार जाल्ले आसा ते वे ऑफ करचें गव्हर्मेंटान ते टेक ओवर करचें ना जाल्यार खंयचे तरी हातूंतल्यान वाट काडून ताका आमकां बरो मार्ग दाखोवचो हेजे खातीर ती मिटींग जाल्ली ते समज जायना सरकारान हें सजेशन दिवपाचें हें जायना जाल्यार लोकसभेचें इलेक्शन येणाऱ्या काळाचें लोकसभेचें इलेक्शन आसा तें बायकॉट करपाचें आज डिसिजन जाल्लें आसा.
आतां मार्च एंडींग येयल्लें आहा मार्च एंडींग जेन्ना येयलें तेन्ना प्रत्येक बँकेवरी रिकवरी करपाक भायर सरतले तेन्ना रिकवरी भायर सरतले तेन्ना मिशिनरी ट्रकवाल्यांनी हेंच्यांनी कशें फेसिंग दिवपाचें कितें सांगपाचें बँकवाल्यांक हो एक मोठो प्रश्न पडलेलो आहा.
म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटाक तें आज रिक्वेस्ट करता ही पॅकेज स्कीम काडल्या ती बरी काडल्या म्हूण 2000 लोकांक पॅकेज मेळ्ळ्या आनी 8000 लोकांक पॅकेज मेळ्ळो ना. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता गव्हर्मेंटाच्यान ही पॅकेज सगळ्यांक दिवची मो गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट करता क्रिसमसा तर आमकां ती पॅकेज घाची मो कित्याक आमकां क्रिसमस सारको भोगलो येयलो लोकांक गेलो.
Finally, Old Goa Panchayat has issued license to Corporation of City of Panji to construct compound wall for the garbage treatment plant at Bangini. Panchayat issued license on Wednesday following directions of the High Court.
CCP's dream project, Bangini Garbage Treatment Plant, will likely to see the light of the day soon. Old Goa Panchayat has finally issued license to construct compound wall for the Bangini project on Wednesday. A sigh of relief for the CCP. Panchayat issued license after strict observation made by the High Court, but the High Court has held this license subject matter to final verdict of review petition filed before Mapsa District Court.
What happened was on 16, when the matter came up for the hearing, the High Court basically said, gave us only two options. Either you give the license by Wednesday or a contempt notices will be issued to your secretary. So we were left with no option at that point in time. So we had to concede to giving them a license for compound wall, but it is subject to the outcome of the petition before the Honorable District Judge.
Though the village panchayat of Old Goa has issued the license, they are still objecting this garbage treatment plant. After getting green signal, Mayor of CCP Surendra Furtado said CCP will soon start construction work.
Old Goa Panchayat has been refusing point blank to give license for construction of the compound wall. For last 2-3 years, we have been approaching the Deputy Director Panchayat, the Director Panchayat, everywhere. The order has come in our favor. We will now call the contractor and ask him to start the construction work immediately.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The RTO has begun crackdown on college students riding motorbikes without license, helmets, mandatory documents and other violations. RTO team registered 259 cases on Wednesday across the state, especially around the college roads and the campuses.
Recently, Goa has witnessed a couple of severe fatal accidents leading to casualty of many teenager youth. Now the RTO has pulled up its sleeves. The Transport Department's surprise operation to keep a check on accidents began on Wednesday morning. The RTO officials were seen near all major colleges in Madgaon, Vasco, Panji, Ponda. The officers fined 259 violators all around Goa. Maximum of them are student defaulters. The RTO officials in Kepe fined 64 violators, in Vasco 40 violators, in Ponda 39 violators, in Madgaon 32 violators, Picholi 31 violators, Panji 29 cases, Mapsa 18 cases, and Kankona 6 cases of violations. Total of 259 cases of violations were registered. These cases consist of violations like riding without wearing a helmet, failing to produce necessary documents, triple-seated riders, absence of side mirrors, use of mobile phone while driving or riding, without or fancy number plates and other violations. While the RTO officers were seen fining defaulters near MES College in Zuarinagar, the students with two-wheelers were seen running helter-skelter looking at the officials. The students who were caught were checked for all the relevant documents and fined for violations. The two-wheelers of students fleeing were seen with fancy number plates and visible modifications. The RTO officers held surprise enquiry near Damodar College in Madgaon. Defaulter students from the college were fined by the officers. The continuing operation is aimed at keeping a check on accidents and youth-related traffic violations. The first day of operation has made a commendable dent to the violators. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.